Okay, I am back. I am so sorry. I accidentally pressed the exit button from the video. That's why it stopped. So I hope you continue with the second part of the video. Okay. So again, I want you to watch this. So I hope you don't miss this one. Okay. Anyway, let's continue with your textbook to page number 125. Once again, let's continue on your textbook page number 125. Now let's take a look at number 3. Rafi wants to measure his waist. Can he use a ruler to measure? So now, a ruler is the one that you have at home. Okay, the wooden ruler, metal ruler, plastic, or rubber. Now, if you want to measure your waist, just like Rafi, do you think you can use your ruler at home? Cannot. Why not? Because the ruler that you have at home, it's stiff. It's not flexible. Why? Because your waist has some curve, right? You need to go around to measure the whole waist. Your ruler, it's not that flexible. So we have to find another tool to measure your waist. That tool, it's called measuring tape. This is how measuring tape looks like. Something like this. Now you can go ahead and ask your mom if she has something like this. Usually your mom has this one because just in case your mom wants to see how the length of your arm, or if she wants to measure your waist. Usually this something has to do with clothes. Okay, wants to buy you a new clothes or new pants, something like that. Okay, so now if your mom has this one, you can go ahead and take a look and try to observe the number, because this measuring tape actually very special. It has centimeter unit measurement and also meter. Okay, so yeah, take a look and observe, play around with it. You can see how tall you are. You can also see how big is your waist or how long is your arm using this measuring tape. Okay, again, if you're wondering why do we use a measuring tape, because measuring tape, it's flexible. Okay, it can go around. It's easier than your ruler at home. Okay, now this is something that your dad might have at home. This one, it's to measure the length of the house or a window or the height of a tree, okay, something like that. Now, this is a little bit stiff. It's not that stiff like a ruler. It can be bended a little bit, but it's not as flexible as the measuring tape. Okay, measuring tape. Yeah. Be careful with this tape because both edges are very sharp. That's why sometimes your dad don't want you to play with it because you can get hurt. Okay, so these tape actually you can find them at home. Now, what happened if, for example, right now, if Miss Annie asks you, hey P2, can you measure your own waist? Miss, my mom don't have the measuring tape. Yeah, so can you still measure your waist? Actually, you can. How do we do that? We can use the help of a string. Okay, you can find a string at home and then you put it on your waist, and then after you have the correct length, you're gonna bring that string and then you're gonna use your ruler, and then you're gonna find out how long it's the string. Okay, let's take a look over here. Number 4. Janice wants to measure her waist. Oh, sorry, her wrist, not waist, wrist. The wrist is on the arm over here. This is the wrist. Okay, Siti uses a string to help her measure it. Siti uses a string to help her measure it. She then used a ruler to measure the length of the string. Okay, so if you don't have a measuring tape, what you can do is you can find a string, because a string is very flexible. You can put around your wrist or around your waist, and then after that you can bring that string, bring it to the ruler, and you can find the length of a ruler. Okay, I'm gonna show it tomorrow. on Wednesday on how to take a measurement using a string. But keep that in mind, if you don't have a measuring tape, you can still measure your waist or your wrist or your chest part, okay? So you can use a string and then you move that string to a ruler to find the length, okay? Okay, so now let's continue. This one is a hands-on activity. We're not gonna do this one. It will be fun if you could do it at home, but we're not gonna do it today. So that will be all for textbook for today. What I want you to do now is close your textbook. Once again, close your textbook and get your workbook out and open to page number 33. Go ahead and open your workbook. Once again, workbook page number 33. We're going to do page number 33 until 36. Okay, so now this one, it's workbook page number 33. So always remember to read the instruction. Number 1, write the length of each object. So all of these are rope. And then it always start from 0 mark or 0 point. Over here, this is the ruler. Okay. Now, this is a centimeter ruler. This is the number. So, we need to find out. Take a look carefully. Okay. So, you start from 0 and then bring like this. It's kind of hard to show it on this one because I have to scroll down. But I'll give you an example of the smaller one over here. Okay. So, this one start from 0 and then this start from here. So, this rope is 12 centimeter. Okay. Okay, now let's check the one on the top. The first one, I'll give you about 5 seconds to find out the length of the first rope. 1. Okay, what is the length of this rope? It's 13 centimeter. How about the second one? How about the length of this rope? I'll give you another 5 seconds. What is the length for this rope? It's 8 centimeter. How about this one? Another 5 seconds. What is the length for this rope? 6 centimeter. How about this one? 5 seconds. 4 centimeter. Okay. How about this one over here? The length of this rope? Another 5 seconds. 14 centimeter. And then this one, it's 12. I'll give you the answer. And then the last one will be, take a look, 15 centimeters. So check your answer. Okay. This is not hard, right? Okay. If you don't have any question, let's continue to page number 34. Page number 34. Down here, we already have a centimeter ruler from 0 until 15. And on the top over here, we already have objects that we can find at home. Okay, the first one is a pen. How long is the pen? 5 seconds. It's 11 centimeter. How about the paintbrush? Another 5 seconds. This one is 15 centimeter. And then how about the paper clip? Another 5 seconds. The paper clip is 4 centimeter. Okay, how about the crayon? Another 5 seconds. Crayon is 10 centimeter. How about a spoon? Another 5 seconds. The spoon is 12 centimeter. And how about the fork? The fork is 13 centimeter. Okay, now let's continue to page number 35. Let's continue to page number 35. Okay, now page number 35. Okay, let me see over here. Okay, use a ruler to measure the length of each piece pieces of ribbon. Okay, so use a ruler to measure the length of each piece of ribbon. So take your ruler, put this, okay, put the 0 point or 0 mark over here, and then measure the length of a ribbon. Go ahead and do it. If you need to go get and find your ruler, you need to pause the video first, and then when you're done, play it again. Okay, if you already have your rulers, I'll give you about 5 seconds to measure number 1A. What is the length of this ribbon? It's 6 centimeter. How about 1B? Another 5 seconds. The length of ribbon B is 9 centimeter. How about the length of ribbon C? Another 5 seconds. What is the answer? 3. How about number 1D? What is the length of this ribbon? The length of ribbon D is 11. How about E? The length of ribbon E, 5 seconds. The length of ribbon E is 14 centimeter. How about F? The length of the ribbon is, another 5 seconds. It's 10 centimeter. And then G, the length of the ribbon G is, another 5 seconds. 8 centimeter. Okay, good. If you have no question, let's continue to page number 36. Again, you're going to use your own ruler and measure this object, okay? Start from the 0 point here all the way here. What is the length of the hair clip? Another 5 seconds. The length of the hair clip is 4 centimeter. How about the length of the pair of scissors? Start from 0 from here until here. 5 seconds. 10 centimeter. And how about the length of the comb? From here to here. 5 seconds. The length of the comb is 12 centimeter. And then the last one, the length of the toothbrush is 5 seconds. The length of the toothbrush is 14 centimeter. Okay, any question? If you don't have any question, that will be all for today. I'm gonna see you tomorrow, and then we're gonna have a Zoom class, and then we're gonna discuss the next topic. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. If you don't have any question, if you do have a question, let me know tomorrow. I'm gonna check with you first thing tomorrow during Zoom class. And if you don't have any question, that will be fine as well. So thank you so much for studying with me through Upload video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, thank you P2, and see you tomorrow. Bye everyone.